Hi guys, in this video I will make a comparison of videos taken by using gimbal and by not using gimbal with our GoPro Hero6. In this road I will be walking normally first, and then I will be walking fast, and then I will run on this road with our GoPro, and I will take videos of course while I am walking normally and fast and running. And then after that I will do the same action again, but this time I will use gimbal. I will use our AFI A5 Gimbal for GoPro action cameras. And also I will not use video stabilization of GoPro itself. And then we will see how AFI A5 Gimbal prevents the shakiness in the videos. So let's do it. And now I will walk. Now I am walking normally in this road. This road I think is around 15 or 20 meters. This is just a normal walk. And my friend is recording me there with Nikon D850. Now I am walking faster on the same road. Walking faster. Now I am running on this road. Running. Now I will use our AFI A5 Gimbal and I will do the same walking again in this road. Okay, now I am doing normal walking with gimbal on. This is just a normal walking with gimbal, our AFI A5 Gimbal. Okay. Now I will walk fast. Walking faster. The same road again. Fast walking. Faster. Yes. Now I will run. Okay, running. I am running now with the gimbal in my hand. And now let's compare the videos side by side. As you see, the difference is pretty clear, right? If you find our video useful, please don't forget to share it with your friends, and also please don't forget to share your comments with us in the description section down below. If you want to buy AFI A5 Gimbal, the link to purchase the product is in the description section down below. Until we see you in our next video, please take good care of yourself. Bye bye!